Welcome to our tutorial on Microsoft Graph API Advanced Filter. In this video, we will explore various filter operators and syntax to help you to retry user-specific data from Microsoft Entra ID. We will begin by creating an HTTP request named Advanced Filter. For the GET request, use the URL https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/users. In the header, include an authorization field with the barrier token. If you are unsure how to create a new token, I explained the process in my video titled How to Create a Post API for Access Token. You can find the link in this video description. Execute the API. This will return all the users. In subsequent call, to apply the advanced filter, let's start exploring different operators. Do you need to find users with specific display name? Use the EQ operator for guaranteed precision. It ensures you only retry users whose name perfectly match with your criteria. Sometimes you need to filter out specific data rather than retrieving it. The NOT operator helps you achieving this by excluding certain entities from your query result, providing you cleaner and more relevant data. This query additionally required the inclusion of consistency level as a key and eventual as a value in the header. Now, with the any operator standing for not equal to, we identify users whose value differ from a specific value. The any operator is particularly useful when you want to narrow down your search to exclude result with a particular characteristic. It helps us filter out specific entries that doesn't fit our criteria, leading to more precise query result. Moving on start with, find the value begin with a chosen prefix. It is handy for efficiently filtering through large record based on the beginning of their value. Using endsWith, let's look at how to select values whose value concluded with a specific value. This helps you to pinpoint users based on the ending of their value. The in operator allows for flexible search. It retries results whose value appear in a predefined list of values. When you have a specific list to filter by, in is incredibly useful for efficiently retrieving information whose value matches any of the specified value. For date-based queries, LE or less than equal to is invaluable. It helps you to retry user created up to a certain date. When filtering a value based on the date, the LE operator provides a powerful tool, allowing you to retry information created on or before a specific date. Again, the GE operator filters user created on or after a given date. Similar to LE, GE is valuable for filtering information based on the date. It enables you to retry information created on or after a certain date, provide precise control over your data retrieval. Want to exclude whose value don't end with a specific values? Combine not with endsWith to achieve this. This lets you filter it out information whose value end with a particular value. Similarly, pairing not with startWith let you filter out user whose display name don't start with a certain string. When you need to exclude information based on the beginning of their value, the combination of not and startWith is invaluable. It allows you to filter out value that start with particular value, giving you greater control over the data. The dual not and EQ setup is perfectly for avoiding users whose display name exactly match a given entry. When you need to exclude certain information based on specific value, the combination of not and EQ provides the necessary functionality. It allows you to filter out values that match a particular value, giving you more flexibility in your data retrieval. Need to exclude users whose display name appear in a predefined list of values? Utilize the not in operator. When you have a specific list you want to exclude, not in is a powerful tool for efficiently filtering out information whose value matches any of the entries in the excluded list. With this advanced filter operator at your fingerprint, You can unlock a whole new level of precision when you retrieve user information from Microsoft Entra ID. Remember, practice makes perfect, so fire up your Graph API and start experimenting.